Hello everyone, welcome to Kodi Tricks. If you are new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button, because we're about to, start helping you unlock, full potential of your Kodi app. So, today I'm going to be telling you about this app Kodi, and, like everyone normally asks me, what Kodi exactly is. So Kodi is a free open source media player that, transforms your device into a powerful, all-in-one home theater. Like with Kodi, you can, stream movies, TV shows, live TV, sports, and so much more, from that particular app. And, this particular Kodi app works on Firestick, it works on Android TVs, Windows, macOS, and even your Raspberry Pi. So, I'll be walking you through a quick tutorial on how to get started with this app, how to set it up, and most importantly, how to optimize it with the fully loaded Diggz Xenon Build. Don't worry, I will show you how to do all that. It's not going to be, it's going to be a very, easy and quick tutorial, okay? So, let us look at how to install, the Kodi app. For the sake of this tutorial, I'm using a PC, so I'll be showing you how to install it on a PC, but the process is pretty similar to anybody that is installing on a Fire Stick TV or on any other Kodi enabled device. As long as you know how to install an app to your TV, you should be able to know how to install the Kodi app on your TV. So, the first thing we have to do here is to go to kodi.tv. Okay. Good. Okay, we're going to download based on our operating system. I'm running on Windows, so I'll hit this download button to install it. But, I've already installed it. And if this is your first time of trying to install Kodi, you have to do the regular installation. You just download and open the exe file, the executable file, then install from there. It's very, very simple. So after installing the Kodi app, I'll be teaching you now how to set the Kodi app up. Okay, so I'm going to close this. Okay. So you have to open your Kodi app. Okay. Good. So after installing Kodi on your device, be it your Fire TV, be it your PC, or even on mobile self, this is the first interface you are going to see. So once this page comes up, okay, the next thing you need to do is to go to this gear icon, this settings icon. You click on it. Then if this page loads, you're going to look for systems, and this is it here. So you click on system. Okay. Then on the left hand panel, you are going to see addons. So this is it here. Yes. And I will check this unknown sources. I will turn it on here by clicking on it. Addons will be given access to personal data stored on this device by allowing you to agree. You're so responsible for any loss of that. So you're going to click yes. The essence of doing this is to make sure that you'll be allowed to install repository files from external sources, okay, which I'm going to be doing. So I'll click yes here. It's pretty safe, guys. Okay. So after doing that, you go back to the previous page. Okay. Then on this page now, we're going to go to File Manager, and this is it here. Okay, so once this file manager page opens, you're going to click on add source. You can see our file direct, everything is empty here. Okay, you're going to just click on add source. Okay, and we're going to enter paths for the media stuff. So I'll click on this now. Okay, for this particular build, I want you to pay attention at this juncture. For this particular build, the Diggz Xenon Build, it has a repository address, and I'm going to enter it now, and I want to make sure you enter it the same way I'm going to enter it, because if you make any mistake at this point, you might not be able to follow up with the rest of the tutorial. Okay, so this is URL, https Okay. Diggz. Okay. / Okay, so that is it, guys. Just make sure you enter it the same way I did mine. Okay, and after doing that, you click on OK. So the media source name is Diggz repo by default. So you can choose to change it or you can choose to leave it. Personally, I'll be leaving it at Diggz repo. So if you are going to change yours, make sure you remember the name you change it to. Okay, so I'll click on OK here. Good. So I've added the source now. So I'll go to the previous page. On this particular page again, we are going to click on addons. Okay, please make sure you don't skip this video so you don't miss out on any of the installation steps, because if you make any mistake, you're going to start from the beginning again. So it's better you just take your time and follow up the tutorial. So on this particular page, you are going to click on install from zip file. Okay, and you look for that media source name. So remember, we saved ours as Diggz repo. So if you changed it, you are going to see the name you changed to here, and you're going to click on it. Okay, so we're going to see this repository.zip file, zip file. So I'll click on it too and allow it to install. It's been installed. So guys, if you are finding this tutorial helpful, I want you to hit that subscribe button before you forget, please. So after doing that, you're going to click on install from repository. Okay, you can see I have 2 repositories here, but we are going to be installing from this Diggz repository. So I'll click on it. Okay, once this page opens, you can see we have so many options here. We're going to click on program addons. Okay, now can see you have so many things here to install. And okay, so but what I'm going to be choosing now is the Chef Omega Wizard. Don't forget, you click on Chef Omega Wizard, and when it comes up like this, we're going to hit install here. Okay, install. You have to ignore this too and click OK. So it's going to install the Chef Omega Wizard. So with this wizard, we're going to be able to set up our Kodi app with the fully loaded Diggz Xenon Build. Okay, so make sure you follow it the same way I do in this tutorial. So I'm going to pause the video till the installation is completed. So we've installed it. Okay, we've installed the Chef Wizard, and you can see it's the latest version. So we're going to click on close here. Okay, click on remind letter. So you open it and click open here again. Okay, we're going to click on build menu. Good. So these are the list of builds that are in this particular Kodi build, the Diggz Xenon build. So you can see we have the Diggz all-in-one Daybreak version 3.1. We have the Diggz Xenon free version 1.0. We have the Simply Arctic version 1.3. You have the Kids version. Okay, the Maddox Kids 2.0 and the Mech. Okay, so we are going to be installing this free version. Don't worry, it contains everything you'll be needing. Okay, so we click on this Diggz Xenon free 1.0. Okay, then yes, we're going to click continue here. So like you can see it's just 176 MB file. So if at this juncture you've encountered any issue while doing anything yourself, you can just leave a comment in the comment section. If there's any particular question you have, you can leave it in the comment section as well. And if you are finding it helpful and you are following up, please, I want you to hit that subscribe button so you'll be part of the family. So I'm going to pause the video so I will not make it lengthy unnecessarily, and I'll resume it once the installation is completed. Okay, so guys, the installation has been completed, and we're going to allow it to finish extracting and installing. So like I told you guys earlier, it's a very easy tutorial. It's not something very difficult. Okay, and I'm glad at this juncture we've been able to show everything from what Kodi app is to how to install it and set it up with the Diggz Xenon Build. So I'm going to pause this video and I'll resume it once the extraction is completed. So I will show you how to do the rest. Okay, so just stick around, guys. So guys, the installation has been completed, and once I click OK, the Kodi app will be closed. Then I have to open it back again. Okay, so I'll do that. Okay, so you can see it's closed now, so I'll open it back again. Okay, and this is it, guys. Let us allow it to fully load. Okay, so it's coming up. So this is it, guys. This is your fully loaded Kodi build. You can see so many options, everything is here. Okay, so if at this juncture you got to this same point, I want to congratulate you, because you've gotten what you already what you're looking for, and I'll appreciate it if you hit that subscribe button to show your support and to also belong to the family. And I'm promising you that if you are subscribed, every weekend you'll be seeing latest update, because there are so many Kodi builds out there. I'll be updating you with the latest best functional safe Kodi builds. Okay, so thank you so much for sticking around. Thank you so much for watching this particular video to this very moment. And like I said earlier, make sure you like this video and subscribe, and please don't forget to tap that bell icon so you never miss on any of our future updates. And if you have questions, you can just leave your question in the comment section and I'll attend to you. So thank you so much and enjoy the rest of your weekend. Bye bye.